Today we're visiting Amazing Grace Animal Sanctuary. They've got a little bit of everything where they come and have their new homes. There's chickens, ducks, turkeys, goats, pigs, donkeys, horses, llamas, alpacas, sheep. A little bit of everything. Alright, so here's a little bit more about it. It is in Sullivan, New Hampshire. Anyone can stop by. It's free to visit. Donations are always welcome. And all the money goes to the care of the animal. So as it says right here, there's over 47 rescued animals that you can visit with. Archie, the pig that I actually talked to you guys about,